Hello students, in this video we are going to start chapter number 6 of geography, major landforms of the earth. So basically we have this word called landform. So from this word is basically formed by joining two words, that is land and form. So we are going to talk about different type of forms of the land we have on the surface of the earth. Okay, now as you have already noticed that the surface of the earth is not same everywhere. The earth has an infinite variety of landforms. Some parts of the lithosphere might be rugged and some might be flat. Now, these landforms are as a result of two processes, and you will be amazed to know that the ground you are standing on is slowly moving. Within the earth or inside the earth, a continuous movement is taking place. The first or the internal process leads to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface at several places. So, in this figure 6.1, you can see the different landforms of the earth. That is, first you have mountains, then you have plateau, then you have plain, and then you have peninsula, delta. All these are the different landforms of the earth. Let us look at this box over here. Now, do you know a hill is a land surface that rises higher than the surrounding area. So basically, the height of the hill is basically higher than the nearby area. Generally, a steep hill with an elevation of more than 600 meter is termed as a mountain. So basically, if the height rises more than 600 meters, it is called a mountain. So we know that there are many mountains with the height of more than 8,000 meters. Like in the previous chapter, we studied how the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. Now, after internal process or the process or activities going on inside the earth, now we have external processes also. External means happening outside. The external process is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. The wearing away of land surface is called erosion. The surface of land is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. These two processes are carried out by running water, ice, and wind. Broadly, we can group different landforms depending on elevation and slope as mountains, plateaus, and plains. So basically, these are the different and the main landforms we have on earth, that is mountains, plateaus, and plains. Let us now talk about mountains. A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth surface. Elevation means rising of the earth surface. The mountains may have a small summit and a broad base. The meaning of summit is the top part and the base is the lower part of the mountain. And it is considerably higher than the surrounding area. We already know that. Some mountains are even higher than the clouds. As you go higher, the climate becomes colder and colder. As we already studied, as we go up towards the height in the atmosphere, the temperature decreases. In some mountains, there are permanently frozen rivers of ice, and these rivers of ice are called glaciers. There are some mountains you cannot see as they are under the sea. Because of harsh climate, less people live in the mountain areas. Since the slopes are steep, less land is available for farming. So basically, the land in the mountains is not suitable or available for farming purpose or agriculture purpose. Now, mountains may be arranged in a line known as range. So basically, we have mountain ranges like Himalayan mountain ranges, the Andes mountain ranges, the Ural mountain ranges. So range means arranged in a line. Many mountain systems consist of a series of parallel ranges extending over hundreds of kilometers. Now, the Himalayas, the Alps, and the Andes are mountain ranges of Asia, Europe, and South America, respectively. Mountains vary in their heights and in their shapes. So basically, different type of mountains have different heights and different type of shape. Now, as we studied that there are some mountains which are under the sea. So let us look at this box over here. Mauna Kea in Hawaii in Northern America in the Pacific Ocean is an undersea mountain. So basically this is the mountain which is actually under the sea. It is higher than the Mount Everest and its height is 10,205 meters. So basically this is the height of this mountain which is under the sea.